What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kyle Pancis, and I have some interesting things happening today on this video. I believe we're gonna have some Saab-tastic moments, but for starters, we're gonna hop back into this 2004 here. Last video on this car, if you guys wondered, if you haven't checked it out, you guys can go check it out. Hold on one second. So in the last video of this car, we did we took care of the OBD port. We got it finally working, and we had two engine codes. One happened to be for a random misfire, and the other one happened to be for a vacuum line pump or vacuum bypass valve / vacuum leak. Blah blah blah. So long story short, this light came on months back, and I actually replaced not only all the vacuum lines, but I also replaced the bypass valve. But I did replace it with potentially an aftermarket unit, and it's been sitting in the garage for many years from my original Saab. So I'm not sure if it was used, maybe it wasn't used, and it just was sitting in the garage through the temperature shifts. Anyways, that light came back on from last week after adjusting some things, and I thought that it was fixed, but it came back, so I bought a new OEM Saab bypass valve. So we're gonna go in there, put that in there, and then we're gonna be riding this car quite a bit this weekend. So between now and the end of the weekend, hopefully this Saab light, the check engine light, stays off this Saab. So stay tuned, let's hop right into this. So the bypass valve lives right here, guys. It's pretty easy. You got two clamps and a vacuum hose. You guys can buy aftermarket ones that are no longer Bosch OEM original. It just kind of slides in right there. So 2-minute fix. I'll clear the light and then I'll keep you guys updated. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this off camera since it's real easy, and stay tuned. All right, so I just did a quick, these things are supposed to be pretty sealed up. They're not supposed to let any air out, except for when the pressure builds up on the bypass valve literally and pushes the air through, right? So just to give you guys an example, this is the new one. This, where my finger's pointing, is the new one, and the one that I'm holding right here is the old one, right? If I were to push air through here, right here, air is leaking out where that vacuum line goes. So that is the old one, and if I do the same test on the new one, there's no air leaking through. So that's a quick test, a little amateur test, but the old one clearly is what's causing the engine light there. That's not sealed properly. So we'll go ahead now and for sure put the new one in, and we should be guaranteed to get rid of that light just based off of knowing that. So pretty excited about that. All right, so we've been driving the car for quite a few minutes here now. We got no more light. I turned it off, and the car seems to be running good. The next task that I gotta go through here is when I hit the brakes. Hold on, see if you can hear it. Hold on one second. It's like a little loose feeling. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but when I just jolt the car a little bit and brake, I hear a little pop. And I'm wondering if it's something to do with the axle, something to do with the strut, and obviously we replaced the control arm, so that's not it, and I thought that might have been it originally, which is why we went ahead and did that, but it's still persisting, so maybe, hopefully in this video we can find some time and get in there. But other than that, the car runs good. There is no vibrations when I'm driving, so that popping noise is just when it's under stress, when I brake hard or accelerate hard, like a jackrabbit start or whatever they call it. So hopefully it's something easy. We'll have to inspect, maybe tighten something down. So if you guys have any comments on that one, drop it below. But in the meantime, we're cruising. She's running good. No more lights, and I'm happy. All right, we've been cruising this thing, guys, all weekend, and a couple hundred miles already on the car since we started this video, and of course we have no more engine lights. Car is running good, and I'm about to go into the front suspension here when we get home to inspect some of the popping noises, see if we can see anything out of place. So I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. This is just a quick update for you on the car since this episode began. So Thanks for tuning in, and like I said, no more check engine light. It's been off now. We have probably about 200 to 300 miles since we turned that off. So Melanie and I have been hanging out, driving this thing. Air conditioning's blowing nice and cold on this nice warm weekend, so we're enjoying it. Stay tuned. Keep you guys posted here. I'm gonna watch you on this side, and then I want to watch you on that side. So start on this side, go forward, jolt it, gas it, jolt it. All right, hit the brakes hard, hit it hard, go. Gas it forward, brake hard. All right, back up. All right, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come forward. Gas it. Brake hard. Do you hear the popping? Do you feel the popping? Do you hear the popping? No.
I don't know.
Guys, sometimes she thinks I'm crazy. I might be.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Gas it. All right. Brake it. I just saw it. Gas it. Brake.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. It's coming from this side. Yeah. Do it again. Keep doing that. Just pay attention to the wall. Do it again. 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 All right. Turn the car off. Let's inspect this side. It's coming from this side. Who is that? All right. Turn the car off.
What up, everybody? This is Melanie Pancis, and I just wanted to point out something about the Saab that I don't know if Kyle's ever pointed out to you. You know, you might not. Oh, yes. So, like, when you look in the mirror here, you see yellow, right? That's because it's burnt. Got sunburn. And Kyle has yet to fix it. He has yet to fix it. So this is going to be something that he's going to be reminded about because he doesn't know I'm taking the video.
All right, so we are in here now, guys, and we have our new sway bar link from a couple weeks ago, and that new bushing bolt that was busted that I had an issue with when we were installing everything is in there. Everything looks good from the naked eye, so I'm gonna get a crowbar and just kind of put some pressure on everything and see what I come up with.
Yeah, you pump it.
Pumping it.
Pump it up.
Pump, pump, pump it up.
I am currently sitting in the car while it is lifted up. Probably not the best idea, but Kyle said it was okay, so I guess it's okay. Why, hello there. How is it under there? GS Motor Club represent. Isn't that so?
Huh?
Huh?
Eh?
What's under there?
I don't know, I'm just tightening down one of the sway bar bolts here. Or not the sway bar, the control arm that I replaced. I'm just trying to tighten down one of the bolts. Maybe that was causing some of the tweaks.
Okay.
I don't know.
I guess you'll figure it out. I got a beautiful day today. 65, first day of spring, sunny. Check it out.
Everything else looks pretty tight under here. Just gave it a nice little jolt, and I don't know. Tie rod end looks good. The sway bar link is new. Control arm is tight. Let me check the ball joint real quick while we're here. Ball joint's tight. I don't know. Everything looks freaking solid, so I'm not sure what's tweaking or why it's been making that noise, you know? But, you know, maybe the strut is the problem, you know? These are probably the original struts. Maybe that's the issue. Who knows?
Next video will tell.
No, I think we should be good. I mean, listen, we got the bushings done on this, on the subframe. We got lower control arm. Everything's tight. The only thing that could be like popping out of place is the top part of the strut. You know, like there's an assembly, an encasing, and like here I can show you. Check it out.
Encasing sounds like a hot dog.
Like this is kind of like normal perhaps, but maybe the bar that goes outside the strut is popping in and out of place when you're hitting the brakes. You know, those things can happen. Who knows if this has been swapped before or if it's OEM original. I'm not sure, but this says Saab on there. This could be the original strut. Not sure. So, anyways, I just tightened down one of the bolts on the lower control arm. And let's give it a test, Melanie. I'm gonna give you the test again. Let me put the wheel back on. Maybe that solves our issue. Fire me up.
Why do you like when I drive the car?
Because you look good in the Saabs.
Uh-oh.
Alright, back it up.
That's easy.
I know, you like that. Go ahead, back it up. Give it some gas on the backup. Just a little bit, you know? Go. Just tap the gas. You're good. Straight back. Brake hard. Keep going. Like it didn't do its tweaking there, so I might have fixed it already, you know? It was only doing it.
It's only when I go forward.
It was only doing it forward, so go back. All right, go forward. Brake it. Do the brake hard again. Go. Gas. Go again. Brake. 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 Gas. Yeah, it's not doing it anymore. Alright.
You're a coworker.
I'm a what? Alright, let me get in there for a second. Let's see if I can duplicate it. I think we might have fixed the tweak. Go, hop out.
Why do I have to get out? Why does the seat's loose?
You're loose. Go.
No, the seat's loose. You need to fix it.
All right, I'll fix it too. Hold on, hold on.
I don't hear anything. I think it's gone. I think you fixed it. I think we're good. Now we can go home.
All right. Another Saab problem fixed.
You have 5% battery left.
Do you think we gotta fix that mirror next, right?
You'll see when you edit your video.
All right, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. We fixed our Saab problems. No more engine light, no more engine tweaks or suspension tweaks. And of course, we got Melanie, the Saab doctor, on the next problem. But anyways, stay tuned for the next video, guys. We have some cool upcoming content coming on.
Saab doctor?
Saab doctor.
Saab surgeon.
Saab surgeon. Surgeon? Oh, I'm the surgeon, you're the doctor.
That.
Whatever. We'll make it work. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And in the next video, we're going to be doing some Porsche content. So if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet for the Porsche content, we got the season coming up.
GS Motor Sport Club represent
in Jersey here if you guys want to check it out. They're a bunch of good guys, so offer some cool car services. And anyway, so stay tuned for the next video. If you guys like this video, like I said, subscribe, like it, comment below, and reach out to me at Pancis on Instagram if you want to ask me any further questions. So thanks for watching. See you guys next time.